Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, let's begin with our today's lesson. Now first let's learn some vocabulary words that how do we say them in English and then in Urdu. So the first word is animals. Animal or animals. In Urdu we say जानवर, जानवर. Animals, जानवर. Repeat many times for practice, alright? The next word is name. I hope that you do remember from your previous lesson that how do we say name in Urdu? We say naam, naam. And then this we did learn in our previous lesson. How do we say this in Urdu? We say ye, ye. Let's repeat one more time all of these words. Repeat after me, alright? Animals, जानवर. Name, naam. This, ye. Okay, now let's learn some animals' names. So, what is this animal? In English we say cat. And in Urdu, billi, billi. Oh, look at this animal. In English we say cow, cow. And in Urdu, गाय, गाय. Oh, look at this one. It's a goat. In English it is goat. And in Urdu, bakri, bakri. Let's repeat one more time. Cat, billi, cow, गाय, goat, bakri. Okay, now some more. Oh, look at this one. It's a monkey. In English we say monkey. And in Urdu, bandar, bandar. Oh, a lion. In English it is lion. And in Urdu, शेर, शेर. Monkey, बंदर. Lion, शेर. Repeat many times for practice. Okay? Alright, so we say when we are saying that there is an animal there and we say, for example, oh, if we see a cat, we say, this is a cat. This is a cat. How do we say that in Urdu? In Urdu we say, ये बिल्ली है. ये बिल्ली है. This is a cat. ये बिल्ली है. In the same way, if you want to say or tell about any animal, you're going to say in the same way, only you're going to change the name of the animal. For example, if you are going to see a cow, you're going to say, this is a cow. And in Urdu you are going to say ye गाय hai, and so on for the rest of the animals as well. And it's not just about the animals. If you want to tell about something which is there, you always say this is dash, and you fill in the dash with that thing, whatever you are talking about. I hope that you have understood it. Alright, one more time. This is a cat. ये बिल्ली है. I hope that you've understood it very nicely. Alright, so here this is the end of this lesson. Do watch the video and repeat many times for practice. I will see you in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.